Mr. Hill was taking on about $17,000 of that money from his account. So the money left her account.
From someone else's account.
That is stolen funds from her account and was
Oh, wow, I don't know about that.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah.
I build roller coasters and homes, and I also on my side.
A credit union, a financial fraud investigation, a single encounter. 3 constitutional questions arose before any arrest was made. None of them appear on the police report. All of them could have changed the outcome.
Good afternoon, Bobo.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Oh. Is he still in the room?
Can I have you come to the third office with Mr. Hill? Mr. Hill is the recipient of imposter funds.
Okay.
So we have another member that is at the dire location right now who got an imposter call. Mr. Hill is taking on about $17,000 of that money from his account. So the money left her account.
From someone else's account.
Correct. It left her account, went into his account, and now he is taking that money.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And he's in the room right now?
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna take us to the room where he's at.
I need you to speak with OPD about the funds that came in.
Yeah, what about it?
Okay.
You can sit down. You can have a seat. Yeah, have a seat, bro. Yeah, no worries. You got any weapons on you?
Not at all.
Here, I'm just gonna pat you down, alright? Go ahead and stand up for
Tell
me.
me to sit down.
Yeah. Make sure you got weapons on you.
I'm just leaving work.
Alright, you can take a seat. So we're just trying to figure out what's going on today.
I'm trying to figure out too.
Yeah, so there's money that's been transferred into your account. Where did that money come from?
I had one transaction supposed to came in from Barbara Williams.
And how do you know Miss Williams?
Through her son, I did work for them.
You did work for her son?
Yes. So what's the problem?
So Miss Barbara is saying that that money is stolen funds from her account and was
Oh
transferred
wow,
into
I
your
don't know
account.
about that.
So you said the other person that's out of the other branch.
Yeah,
There's still.
Miss Barbara is at the other location filling out a statement right now that
Okay.
that was an imposter that took over and then transferred that money to her to Mr. Hill's account.
Oh, see, I don't know nothing about that. I only did a little work for the dude named.
Yeah, you have an idea
I
what?
got everything, sir.
See this one? Thank you.
Oh,
So you did work for her son?
yeah, for a dude named Neil, Williamson Neil. And he was supposed to pay me, and he got my information. And before he transferred money to my account, and then he got my information and did it again. And I just came to make a withdrawal.
But is that person, you're saying that person is her son?
That's what I was told.
You need to settle those.
That's what I was told. He was like, I'm getting the money from my mom. And I'll send it to you. And that's how that went.
What was the guy's
William
name?
Neal.
William Neal?
Yeah.
And William Neal is supposed to be Miss Barbara's son. And
I need 2 seconds. You want a 29P by Florida ID number?
he's the one who
Excuse me.
transferred the money.
So what am I supposed to do?
I have no idea. We're here to help you figure that out.
Wow, man.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah.
I build roller coasters and homes, and I
For work
also,
he
on
did.
my side work, I do a lot of
What kind of work
remodeling
was
for
that
the
you
home.
did for him?
I did paint for him. I did painting, and I put in some windows.
Painting and windows. And
Yeah.
how much was, like, I guess the job supposed to be?
It was supposed to be like a $6,000 job.
Okay, 6,000 altogether?
Yeah, because
6,000.
he still owe me money.
Okay.
Where do you live now?
I stay right here in Pine Hills.
Right. So it was the full payment was 6,000?
Yes.
So why did he transfer more than that to you?
I don't know. I How do you do that?
Well, the account has received more than $6,000.
I was only my deal was only for $6,000, and that's it.
Yeah, you've taken out more than $6,000. And that money all comes from the same place. Do you have William Neal's contact information?
It's not in this phone. This is my actual personal phone.
Not in this phone?
Yeah, my other work. I should have knew something was wrong with this dude, man.
Do you have another office that we could kind of use for him?
Yeah, we can go to the other office.
Okay, and we'll just talk to you to kind of get
That's fine.
our
Yeah,
story.
let's go, yeah, you guys can go over to the
Mr. Hill.
office with the door.
Mr. Hill.
Yes, sir.
Can we?
One second. See, that's part of one of my businesses. I got the truck and all
Yellow Dog?
I understand.
Yeah, we'll just go in this office right here for now.
We'll stay with him, and then
Go to the next one over.
Next one over.
all right. So explain to us what we got.
Hey, would it be okay, because they just separated me and Mr. Hill. The officers have a few questions about the situation. Would it
Fine.
be okay if I can put you on
Already sent it to
speaker
the
now?
CSO and
Can I
the
give you the phone? Could I give the phone to could you speak to our risk department? Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay, awesome. That might
Are you able
work
to put them
better.
on speaker?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit. Because they're
I mean,
both here, so.
Oh, okay.
I'll close the door if need be.
We kind of
Yeah.
want.
All right, so I'm gonna put you on speaker
stand
and
there.
have them.
Actually, I'll trade
okay?
spots.
All right, just a moment. Jennifer?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, you got police officers here from OPD. Just kind of wanted to know what we got.
Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Jennifer. And you're here with Melissa. She's the AVP of Risk Management. So what we're dealing with is one of our members received an imposter phone call. The person stated they were working for McCoy Federal Credit Union. They obtained her login credentials and logged into her online banking and did 3 transfers totaling $19,000. Those transfers were account-to-account transfers, so the funds went into this account for Marcus Hill. Marcus then utilized the funds by Apple Cash, ATM withdrawals, and withdrawals in the branch.
Okay.
Has he made all 3 transactions today, or has it been longer than just today?
All 3 transfers, I believe, were done. Hold on 1 second.
I feel like 19K transfers have got to be longer than 1 day.
So 2,500 left on the 28th. He did 1,000 to Cash App, Charles Logan. Then there's another 5750 from Miss Barbara's account.
So this one was another woman?
All right. So there's a member that
They're
may be
both
the victim.
members, yes.
Okay, both members, but another member.
Correct. Our other member is at Dyer. Dyer is Osceola, correct?
Kissimmee.
Kissimmee. So
So-
she's at that branch right now.
The transfers were made on the 27th, the 28th, and the 29th.
Okay.
And we spoke with the victim, Barbara. She has a son, but her son's name is David Michael Williams.
Okay.
And Mr. Marcus Hill just mentioned the son's name of William Neal, which is incorrect.
Okay. So we're kind of thinking that someone was defrauded out of their money from their account and it was transferred over.
Yes, Barbara was defrauded.
Okay.
And we believe Marcus Hill to be the suspect.
Okay. All right.
All these transactions taking place.
Our
in-
loss is $17,000. We have $2,000 on hold. The $2,000 is what Marcus was trying to take just now out of the account.
Okay. $17,000 total losses over the last couple of days, and then $2,000 on hold. What he was trying to do today.
Right. So the total
Okay.
transfer amount was $19,000. That's the intended fraudulent amount. but
Okay.
he has 17,000.
Okay. All right. We're gonna need. So you understand this, and as a representative of the bank, are you able to write us a statement? Because I'll have these guys. Okay. All right. I think I got the story.
We have Barbara state the victim. Can we send that over to you?
Yeah, absolutely. If
I
that's something you can
I'll
handwrite or
for
print
you.
that out.
No, I'll print that for you. Okay. Would you like to speak with the victim?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Well, so, for example, he said that the job that he did for the son, it was a $6,000 job, but he received two payments, one of like $9,700 and then another payment of like 5,000 something. So it far exceeds.
Yeah, 6,000.
He's telling us he did.
I would probably tell him first.
Yeah, Mr. Hill, we're getting ready to leave. I have your phone here, as well as the watch that we are taking for now as evidence. Do you want to provide me with the PIN codes?
Taking my phone for evidence for
Yes. The whole reason why we're here today.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get your phone back as quick as we can to you. But if we don't have a passcode or anything like that, then they got to sit there and run codes on it, and it
Takes longer.
Takes longer. So this is the easiest way to do it.
Could I use the bathroom? It's coming down. He'll tell you, I've been here about 25. I had to use the bathroom before I came in. Like, I'm so serious, sir.
They don't have a bathroom here for you.
Oh my God. Nah, I hate to do it, but I'm gonna have to use the bathroom.
All right, we got to go outside. Come on, man.
I'm sorry. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Okay.
And you was just there when I asked the guy. I told him that this actual one cuff is too tight. That's another thing. I can't hold this shit.
So what you're saying is if he loosens it up a notch, you'll be able to hold it?
No, I'm saying I gotta go. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. I don't think anybody searched him yet, so.
Okay. Yes, McCoy, what'd you look?
Mr. Hill, I never got an answer. Do you want to, like you said, it takes longer if they don't have the passcodes. It's only your face?
Yeah, it's my face.
There's no numbers. There's numbers on your phone, on your watch.
Yeah, on my watch.
Do you know what it is?
1978.
19 what?
Shit.
And what about the phone?
The phone is my face. My stepdaughter set that up for me.
Okay.
All I have to do is put my face in.
Yeah, usually it has both, but.
I understand, but that's all I have to do. Oh, shit. I have nothing. Just enough work. Oh, my wallet.
I can tell you guys to go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my chisel's 5. I don't want
I can't use bathroom nowhere.
When we get there, use that.
How far is there?
33rd? Okay.
I don't know. I'm not from here. I don't know where that is.
Probably 10 minutes.
So basically, I'm going to jail.
Yes. 10 minutes. Watch your late.
Let's go. That's all.
3 legal standards govern this encounter. Terry v. Ohio on investigative stops and protective searches. Miranda v. Arizona on custodial interrogation. Riley v. California on digital evidence and the Fourth Amendment. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,968. A lawful protective frisk requires articulable suspicion of 2 independent elements: that the person is engaged in criminal activity, and that the person is specifically armed and dangerous. A financial offense, without additional indicators, does not satisfy the second prong. This constitutional gap recurs consistently in non-violent investigations. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436 1,966. Rights advisement is mandatory before custodial interrogation. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420 1,984. Brief investigatory stops are not automatically custodial. However, extended and restrictive questioning with no indication of freedom to leave may satisfy the custody threshold regardless of formal arrest status. Stansbury v. Pulte, California, 511 U.S. 318 1,994. Custody is an objective determination, not a matter of officer intent. Factors bearing on custody: directed to remain in place, physically searched, questioned in a private setting by multiple officers, no statement at any point that the subject was free to leave, Each factor independently weighs toward a custodial finding. Riley v. California, 573 U.S., 373, 2014. Warrantless search of a phone's digital contents is presumptively unconstitutional. Seizure of the device to preserve evidence pending a warrant is lawful. The distinction between seizure and search is not semantic. It defines the boundary of the Fourth Amendment in the digital age. Fifth Amendment and compelled digital credentials. A compelled PIN is testimonial in nature. Fifth Amendment protection applies. A compelled biometric unlock is analogous to a fingerprint, generally not protected. This distinction remains actively contested across federal circuits. No Supreme Court ruling has resolved the question definitively. Voluntary disclosure of credentials eliminates the legal dispute entirely. Florida Statute 825.103. Exploitation of an elderly person. The knowingly element is the central prosecutorial burden. False identification of the alleged co-conspirator, directly contradicted by independent victim testimony, eliminates the innocent intermediary defense as a matter of law. Statutory exposure under subsection 3B, second-degree felony. 15-year maximum. Lesson in constitutional rights. The Fifth Amendment does not work unless it is invoked. Voluntary disclosure without counsel reduces the prosecution's evidentiary burden. Every statement offered to investigators without legal advice becomes admissible in the state's case. The right to remain silent requires no justification and cannot be used as evidence of guilt. The plea agreement closed the case file. It did not close the legal questions. At what precise moment did custody legally attach in that room? Would any statement made before Miranda advisement have survived a suppression hearing? And if the plea is vacated, what evidence remains? These are not hypothetical questions. They are what a defense attorney asks before the first hearing. The answers are not in the footage. The analysis continues.